Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is EcoSmart Electric Tankless Water Heater. Smart tankless electric water heaters are 90% smaller than traditional tank heaters, may be installed on wall or at point of use. Smart tankless electric water heater delivers endless hot water, while at the same time saving space, time, money, and allowing you to reduce your overall energy and water use. Smart's patented, self-modulating, tankless water heating technology can be used worldwide in a variety of applications from homes of any size, business environments such as offices or restaurants, or even recreational vehicles. Each tankless electric water heater is easy to install, dependable. EcoSmart features advanced self-modulating technology, only using the amount of energy needed to heat water when you need it. Point-of-use installation and on-demand heating cuts down on waiting for hot water. Traditional tank heaters take up a lot of space, but EcoSmart's sleek, wall-mounted design frees up floor space for more storage and is 90% smaller than a tank. Our second best hot water heater is Bosch Electric Mini Tank Water Heater. The Bosch Tronic 3000T is a mini tank water heater designed to fit beneath kitchen or bathroom sinks. This model has a 4-gallon tank and can keep 2 sinks supplied with hot water. The Bosch Tronic 3000T is powered by a standard 120 volts wall outlet. Set the temperature of your water supply to anywhere between 65 and 145 degrees Fahrenheit. While not intended for whole house water heating, installing a mini tank water heater is a simple way to increase hot water supply to a sink located far from your primary water heater. This heater can supplement a primary water heating source, or be used under a single sink. The Bosch Tronic 3000T can be used for 3 different applications: as a sole water heating source for a single sink, as a supplement to an existing heater located far from the sink, and as a buffer installed inline with tankless water heaters that experience intermittent cold water, also known as cold water sandwiching. No matter the configuration, there's minimal standby loss from this premium mini tank water heater. Third choice in our list is Stiebel Eltron Tankless Water Heater. With the Stiebel Eltron Tankless Temper 24 Plus, the best of the electric tankless water heaters. The Stiebel Eltron Temper 24 Plus, in addition to providing a consistent flow of hot water, has several features that place it among the best tankless water heaters. When hot water demand exceeds capacity, the Stiebel Eltron Temper 24 Plus automatically reduces flow to ensure that warm water continues to flow. This electric tankless water heater provides up to 5 gallons of hot water per minute and can help you save money. The Temper uses 15 to 20% less energy than traditional tank water heaters. Easy-to-use digital controls for output and water temperature are also appealing features. The unit is compact, weighing just over 15 pounds and taking up very little space with its 20 by 20 inch footprint. Electronic switch activates the hot water heater and it's noise-free while in use. Has a digital temperature display and preset temperature and memory buttons, while the interior solid copper heating system does all the power work. Number 4 in our side is Fogatti Natural Gas Water Heater. The Performance Platinum's powerful 145,000 BTUs gas burner can produce a whopping 77 gallons of hot water in the first hour. Though it does not have the energy efficiency of a gas water heater, it does have some excellent features that improve efficiency and reliability. This unit includes overheat protection and a temperature pressure relief valve to prevent the tank from exceeding 150 degrees Fahrenheit. It is suitable for 2 to 3 outlet points, which can satisfy whole family. UAF over 0.82, the high energy conversion rate can effectively reduce energy loss. Using built-in forced exhaust fan at the bottom ensures stable combustion and eliminates the influence of external wind. Compact design for easy installation. For details, let's watch more. Last in our top 5 best hot water heater list is EcoTemp L5 tankless water heater. This portable water heater from EcoTemp is ideal for use outside. The L5 is a compact unit with a flow rate of up to 1.5 GPM that is popular for camping, off-grid living, or providing warm water in the backyard. The portable water heater is linked to a 20-pound propane tank as well as 2D batteries that power the electronic ignition. You must provide the hoses or piping to connect the heater to your water supply. Lightweight, easy to carry, and compact, makes using it for camping, hunting, in your tiny home, RVs, poolside, washing pets, equestrian, cleaning vehicles, greenhouses or anywhere else that you need instant reliable endless hot water, perfect for hot water anywhere you need it. Runs on a standard 20 pounds liquid propane tank and is equipped with an electronic ignition. Powered by 2D cell batteries, making it ideal for on the go. Make the L5 even more convenient and pair it with the EcoFlow 12V water pump, allowing you to have hot water in the most remote locations. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.